by team2. So I go to the website and download the gamemaker project in gamemaker JNLP file. I click on it to download it, and now I open the JNLP file. I go ahead and give permissions for the JNLP file to run. Okay, so here is a GameMaker window. This is the initial screen of the GameMaker. So we have two tabs, a login and a register tab. Let me go ahead and explain to you the register tab. So this register tab is for new users to register into our system. So there are two privileges, game player and the game maker. So the game player privilege is for players to just play the games, and game maker privilege gives users privileges to make the game and also release the game for the game player to play. So now I go ahead to login tab, and I log in into the system as a game maker. I enter the username and the password, and I log in. So since this is a game maker, the system is I'm logged into a game maker window. So this is the window for a game maker. As you can see, in the left hand side is starting and making a new game. So the left hand side you can see a new game, and then there is a background, and I can also have privileges to load any existing games and play it. In the right hand side is a user guide in which there are instructions for new game, load and edit game, and also playing a game. So now I go ahead and load an existing game that I've created, which is Mario, and I click the go button to continue making the game. So as you can see, this is the Mario that has been previously created. So there is a Mario here and 2 bonus points. So now I go ahead and add another bonus, and I assign a proper image to it. I drag and drop the image to the screen, the play window, and now I associate a collision event to it. So I want it to vanish, the bonus to vanish, and the game to continue, and collision with Mario I want it to vanish. So now I associate it, and now I go ahead and I want to, and collision with with Mario I want to increase the score. So I go ahead and associate the increase score action, and now I save this to associate the event to this particular sprite. So the saving the event is attached to this particular Mario. Yeah, so now as you can see, the save is done. Now I go ahead and release the game. So on releasing the game from the game by a game maker, it's available to all game players. So I go ahead and release the game. So the release of the game is done. Now I close it. I close the window, and I go ahead and I'm going to log in as a game player now. So I'm opening up the application again from the JNLP file. I give proper privileges, and you can see there's a login screen. Now I log in into the system as a game player. So this is a user account having game player privileges. So I log in into the system. So here is the game player window. So there are 3 tabs: the load game, the best scores, and the top scores. The load game enables the user to select any game and play it. The best score is a provision wherein you can enter any game and get the top scores for the game in descending order. And my top scores tab enables the user to view his scores in descending order for any particular game. So now I go ahead and click on Mario. I play. So as you can see, here is the game player window for Mario. Shit, when did the new thing come up? Now I go ahead and play. As you can see, on collision with this, the score is increasing, as you can see. And now I can stop the game and I can upload the score. So the present score of the game is uploaded to the database, uploaded, and you can see the score is visible now here. So I go to my top scores, select Mario, and I do see the score along with the date and time the game is played has been seen. Thank you guys. This is